So this morning is officially the start of it. It's the start of snowmobile season here in Wisconsin for me. I am headed down, it's about 7:30 in the morning. I'm headed down to around Wausau. They have the Wausau area grass drags between Wausau and Marathon City. It actually is part of an old snowmobile club that I used to be a part of, Trailmates, that puts this on every year. And I'm looking forward to it. I've been doing this I used to be on their board. I used to be the secretary for the Trailmates back years ago. We bought the property, and there's a couple people in that club that have just worked really, really hard to make this a very big event in the area. So I'm looking forward to going down, checking out the new snowmobiles today for the upcoming season, going through this huge swap meet they have. Who knows, we'll maybe find some clothing. They have got tractor pulls, the grass drags, which I mentioned, new equipment, old equipment. I'm going to do that this morning, go back, probably pontoon this afternoon. This is all kind of last minute for me because I was actually going to go look at a 1966 Ford Mustang collector car, but last night, last minute, kind of changed my plans on that when I found out a few more things about it. So this is kind of the start for me of the snowmobile season. We'll see if I run into my buddy Dean down there. Normally we've got this all set up, but like I said, I was going to look at a car today, so I didn't do any of this ahead of time. I'm sure he'll be there. He's a member of that club too. So we'll keep you up to date and kind of show you a few things as we get going today. Hit that subscribe button. And I'm always usually busy with projects, but sometimes you gotta take a little me time too. And this is an event I look forward to every year, so I'm kind of excited. We'll catch you in a little bit when we get in the gate. So I'm in, already ran into Dean. I'm gonna go catch up with him again now in a second. I had to check in, but here's where they do the drags with the pulls, the tractor pulls, and then this goes forever, way past those trees back there. And then up on that stretch over there is where they have the vendors and they have the grass drags themselves. Big event, somewhat similar to what they do on hay days. But I'm gonna catch up with Dean and we're gonna go check out the swap meet stuff. Here I am at the grass drags event, kind of deep in the middle of the swap meet area. It just goes and goes and goes. You can find almost anything. So far, I have managed to find 3 pairs of leather gloves, $1 a pair. Now that's a deal. That made it worth driving down here for. I'll keep you in the next video. Hit that subscribe button and keep watching. With Dean for a little bit. He's here. But now I'm down on the far end. He had to go back to work. I'm down on the far end, and this is how big this is. It's really kind of cool. They've got some brand new snowblowers here, and I might take a look at buying one of those. Brand new, about 500 or 600 bucks. So I may walk out of here today with a snowblower I hadn't planned on buying. Finally kind of met the the crossroads, the center hub of things here. And now this is kind of the row of commercial stuff, retailers, dealers stuff. So we're going to check this out. So far, looking at used sleds, they appear to be less expensive than in past years, and I'm going to guess that's because all the trails were closed last year. We didn't have any snow. So, that's kind of affecting the law of supply and demand here. Let's take a walk and see what else we find. I'm looking forward to, up ahead here is Bill's Service Center. They've got an oxygen helmet that I may have to consider. It's like a $900 helmet for $450. I think that's a pretty decent deal, but remember, I am, the cheapest guy in the world, so I didn't plan on spending any money today, but think I might land up spending some money. We won't tell my wife, okay? Everyone kind of keep that a secret. And hit that subscribe button. I need to get to 500 so I can buy Dean his $2 chicken sandwich. Don't forget about that. So they have Polaris has their Polaris racing trailer here for, I'm guessing, the grass drags, the drag machines. And drag snowmobiles are starting to get warmed up. They haven't started yet, but the track is right beyond through there. And they're having a driver's meeting at 10 o'clock, and then they're going to start making some noise. But I'm going to take a walk through Bill's here, and I'm going to check out one of those helmets probably, see what the new 2025 snowmobiles look like, the new Skidoos, and check that out. That's what I come down here for. Check out, see if they got any deals on any clothing, keep me warm when it's 30 below this winter. Right. Subscribe. So once again, we've got snowmobile trailers for sale down here. Bobcat's got something set up. Ventrac here, Central Sales out of Edgar. They've got the Walker mowers and the Ventracs. If I could, I'd love to have a Ventrac, but they're a little out of my price range on things. You know, we got FRX clothing and stuff over here. Just, I can't believe it. We're talking the end of September, and it's going to be 81 degrees today. What a beautiful day. Please hit that subscribe button. And I'm going to I promised my wife we were going to get out on the pontoon this afternoon. It's about an hour to get back home. I'm going to check out one of those snowblowers one more time and make a decision on that, and then I'm out of here. But just nice to be able to come down and walk this again and see some of the new stuff for this year. Yeah, pretty cool. I was hoping to have a little bit more. I kind of missed it, I think, where the Skidoo clothing is. But anyways, that's okay. So hopefully you enjoyed it. Hit that subscribe button. Everyone, back by popular demand, we have Dean here. He's helping load the snowblower that I bought. Brand new Toro, 252cc, electric start, and I got that for $600. So, everyone, we're not going to tell my wife I bought this. Okay? Don't let her know. So, anyways, we'll go from there. I'm headed back home, 11 o'clock on the pontoon, hopefully by 1. All is good. Take care. Have a great day, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the quick snapshots here of the Wausau area grass drags. Trailmates Snowmobile Club is the main sponsor of that again. Take care. Have a great day.